Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this TROND outlet extender with rotating plug. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So we have the specs listed on the back. Rated power on this is 1875 watts or 125 volts at 15 amps. So let's get this open. Here we have a welcome guide. It's pretty straightforward. We have 3 grounded outlets, 1 plug, and it rotates 360 degrees. So you can see we have the 3 outlets there. Now I am going to plug this into a wall, but I'm just going to try this here. So I can plug that in, and then this should rotate 360 degrees. That seems pretty straightforward. Pull that out. I'm gonna get some quick measurements here. So this is right around 2¼ inches. That would be away from the outlet. And the width on this is around 3½ and the height is just a little over 1 3/8 inches. So now go demonstrate this in a wall outlet. Okay, so here I'm at a wall outlet. I can plug this in. So I can plug this in the top or the bottom. I'll plug it in the top here, and now I can rotate this around. So if you have a wall wart of a certain orientation, you can rotate this if you want it to, say, hang straight down or off to the side. Now from here I can plug things into this. So that was a fan I just plugged in. Now when I unplugged it, it stuck to the adapter, so I would need to actually hold it and pull it out. Now that may vary depending on your plug. It might have some more friction than the plug in here, but in my case I needed to hold it. So at the time I'm filming this, it's around Christmas time, so a lot of times people are plugging lights in. Now especially with lights being LED, they draw a little power, but many times you'll need more outlets. So you could plug something like this in and you can put different lights and accessories into this. Now with this outlet here, I have the outlet down below. So this converts these 2 outlets into 4 usable outlets. Of course you could put a second one of these down here and then you'd have 6. Now with my outlets, the ground are up. So with some plugs, it actually makes the cord go up. With this, I can have this rotated where the ground is down. And then when I plug things in, the cords are going to come down. So that's the TROND outlet extender with rotating plug. So if you're looking for an outlet extender with a few more features than a basic one, I think this is a great option. Of course, I already mentioned Christmas lights, but this would also work well in a kitchen or office where you need to add more outlets. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.